Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best bed tray tables that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Rossi Home Media Bed Tray. This stylish, but practical tray table, will work for a whole host of uses, and will fit into most traditional and modern aesthetics. This tray fits laptops up to 17.3 inches, as well as most tablets. Plus, it comes with an inset media bar that will hold tablets, e-readers, phones, and paper materials at 2 optimal reading angles. The tray is made from natural bamboo, which is a renewable resource. The contoured tray can be lowered to make it easier to access the top, and the carrying handles make it a cinch to safely transport a loaded tray. The legs fold, which makes storage simple. More than 82% of 12,418 plus reviewers on Amazon give this tray 5 out of 5 stars. Reviewers say the tray is well made, and praise its value for the price. Moving on at number 4, we have Lapgear Designer Lap Desk. This tray is a great legless option for those who want to be able to eat food or work in bed. It comes in 9 different patterns, which means you can definitely find one that will match your bedspread and bedroom vibe. The tray will hold laptops up to 15 inches wide and has a cell phone slot that can also be used to hold pens, small notebooks, or other office supplies. The padded section of the tray conforms to the dimensions of your lap, with reviewers saying it's particularly comfortable to use. The Lapgear Designer Lap Desk is a fun and stylish way to turn any space into a workspace. Whether you're journaling, remote working, or studying, this comfortable, personal desk has everything you need. At number 3, we have Homeit Bed Tray Table. This bed tray is ideal for someone who wants a simple, straightforward tray that they can use for either work or a meal in bed. This bamboo tray is Amazon's #1 bestseller, and while it doesn't offer any bells and whistles, its solid construction, handles for easy mobility, and folding legs have earned it legions of fans. The tray is constructed from eco-friendly bamboo, one of the fastest-growing plants on the planet. Reviewers love this nice and sturdy tray, saying it is just the right size and is easy to store, to boot. Limited time, backed by free lifetime guarantee, Homeit Bed Tray is ideal for breakfast in bed or TV dinners. It folds for easy storage and cleaning. Constructed of a sleek bamboo finish to ensure durability and stability. At number 2, we have Saiji Laptop Bed Tray Desk. If you have a lot of gear to store on your bed tray, give this Saiji a look. This tray table features auto lock buttons that allow you to adjust it to 5 different heights, and clamps that can be used to adjust the surface to 4 different angles. It also comes with a detachable mouse and notebook slip to keep your device safely anchored. The tray features a pen and pencil slot and drawers for accessories, making it a wonderful option for artists and gamers. The legs are foldable, making it easy to store. One reviewer writes, "I can't say enough positive things about this product. This tray is big enough to hold a tablet and a phone with enough space next to your laptop to have a journal for notes." And finally at number 1, Mavo Craft Folding Lap Desk. This multi-purpose product can be used as a laptop stand, breakfast table, travel desk, bed tray, book stand, and gaming desk. The bed tray has stacks of storage compartments for pens, paper, and office provisions, and it has a robust hold closure at the top to keep your items safe. The collapsible folding lap desk's functional design makes it portable, and it is lightweight at 7 pounds. This portable and practical lap desk is great for kids on the go. Use it to read, do homework, write, or draw on long car trips, in bed, in the backyard, anywhere. Its folding legs make it easy to pack up and take along. It has a large writing surface that doubles as a lid to a roomy storage compartment to store paper, pencils, books, and more. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.